Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make biscuit pizza at home. First, gather all your ingredients like a can of biscuits, your favorite pizza sauce, and shredded mozzarella cheese. Next, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. While the oven heats up, prepare a baking sheet by lining it with parchment paper or spraying it lightly with a non-stick cooking spray. This ensures your delicious mini pizzas won't stick. Now it's time to assemble your pizzas. Take each biscuit from the can and gently flatten it into a small, round crust, about 3 to 4 inches in diameter. Then, spoon about 1 tablespoon of your chosen pizza sauce onto the center of each flattened biscuit, spreading it evenly. Finally, sprinkle on your shredded cheese and any other toppings you love, making sure to leave a small border for the crust. Carefully transfer your assembled biscuit pizzas onto the prepared baking sheet, leaving a little space between each one. Pop them into your preheated oven and bake for approximately 10 to 12 minutes. You'll know they're ready when the biscuit crusts are beautifully golden brown and the cheese on top is completely melted and bubbly. Keep a close eye on them to prevent overbaking. Once baked, carefully remove your biscuit pizzas from the oven. It's best to let them cool for just a few minutes before serving, as the cheese will be very hot. If you like, sprinkle some fresh herbs like basil or oregano over the top for an extra touch of flavor. These mini pizzas are perfect for a quick snack or a fun meal. And hey, life's too short for a stinky car, so check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.